Introduction: Plant communication and its significance. Plants possess a remarkable ability to communicate, sharing vital information through chemical signals and root interactions. This fascinating concept not only reveals the intricate relationships within ecosystems, but also enhances our gardening practices. By understanding how plants communicate, gardeners can create more harmonious environments, leading to healthier and more productive gardens. James, an expert in uncovering gardening secrets, delves into these hidden connections, offering insights that can transform your gardening experience. Join us as we explore the captivating world of plant communication, igniting your passion for nurturing your garden and unlocking its full potential. Step 1. Understand the basics of plant communication. Plants are not passive organisms. They actively respond to their environment and communicate with one another. Through the release of pheromones and root signals, they share crucial information about threats, nutrient availability, and even their health status. For instance, when under attack, some plants emit chemical signals that warn nearby neighbors, prompting them to bolster their defenses. This intricate web of interactions highlights the importance of observing your plant's behaviors and responses. By tuning into these subtle cues, you can foster a more vibrant garden, enhancing both plant health and your gardening experience. Step 2. Learn to read plant signals. To become a successful gardener, it's essential to learn how to read the signals your plants send. Signs of stress, such as wilting, discoloration, or stunted growth, indicate that something may be amiss. Pay close attention to leaf shape and color, as these are key indicators of plant health. For example, yellowing leaves can signal nutrient deficiencies, while curled leaves may suggest pests or environmental stress. Encourage yourself to take notes on your plant's conditions regularly, tracking changes over time. This practice will help you identify patterns and respond effectively, ensuring your garden thrives and flourishes. Step 3. Create a nurturing environment for plants. Creating a nurturing environment is vital for your plant's health and growth. Start by ensuring high-quality soil with the right nutrient balance, as this foundation supports robust root systems and overall vitality. Consider incorporating companion planting, where certain plants thrive together, enhancing growth and deterring pests naturally. This technique fosters a harmonious ecosystem in your garden. Additionally, pay attention to each plant's specific needs regarding watering and sunlight exposure. Regularly assess these factors to provide optimal conditions, allowing your plants to flourish. By cultivating a supportive environment, you'll witness the beauty and bounty of your garden come to life. Step 4. Engage in talking to your plants. Engaging in verbal communication with your plants can have surprisingly positive effects on their growth. Studies suggest that plants respond to sound vibrations, and speaking to them in soothing tones can create a nurturing atmosphere. Spending time near your plants while talking or even playing music can enhance their overall health and vitality. Anecdotes from passionate gardeners often highlight how their plants seem to thrive when they share their thoughts or feelings. By fostering this connection, you not only enrich your gardening experience, but also create a supportive environment that encourages your plants to flourish and thrive. Step 5. Utilize plant care rituals. Incorporating daily or weekly plant care rituals can significantly promote your plant's health and well-being. Simple practices like pruning, watering, and checking for pests create a routine that nurtures both plants and gardener alike. Additionally, consider integrating meditation or mindfulness into your gardening sessions. Taking a moment to breathe deeply and focus on your plants fosters a deeper connection and enhances your awareness of their needs. Encourage yourself to create a personal bond with your garden, treating it as a living entity. This mindful approach not only enriches your gardening experience, but also cultivates a thriving, vibrant environment for your plants. Step 6. Monitor and adjust care based on plant feedback. Monitoring your plants and adjusting care based on their responses is crucial for fostering a thriving garden. Pay close attention to how your plants react to different conditions, such as light, water, and nutrients. Seasonal changes also require adjustments in your care routines. For instance, you may need to increase watering during hot months or provide extra protection during colder seasons. Encourage yourself to keep experimenting with various techniques, whether it's changing soil types or trying new fertilizers. This adaptive approach not only enhances your plant's health but also deepens your understanding of their unique needs, leading to optimal results. Conclusion, key takeaways, and viewer engagement. Understanding plant communication is essential for achieving better harvests and fostering a thriving garden. By recognizing how plants interact and respond to their environment, you can implement effective techniques that enhance their health and productivity. We encourage you to apply the methods discussed, from monitoring plant signals to creating nurturing environments. Your garden will flourish as you deepen your connection with your plants. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with fellow gardening enthusiasts. Join us for more insights and tips to elevate your gardening journey and unlock the secrets of nature.